Okay, we're here at 1037 N Screenland Drive here in Burbank. Now, we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector crawl underneath. They'll physically look at everything. We're here to check the main line, and this inspection is based on my opinion. So I can tell you that we're running our camera from a 2-inch clean out here, located on the right-hand side of the house if you face it from the street. We've pretty much been able to check the main line going underneath the house. It all looks like ABS plastic. Remember, we're checking the main line, and we have our camera out now about 89 feet, which brings us into the street. Now, I believe that you're sharing a same lateral as the people on the north side of you. It's very typical of Burbank over here, but you should find this out from the city, but definitely it appears that's what's happening. So we have some pretty heavy roots here in the line going into the street. Cannot get our little camera through here because we're going through a 2-inch clean out, but there is a clean out at the property line that we'll continue our inspection from. Okay, let's bring the camera back. So you can see some roots in the line over there. As we come back, you can see this is where the two right there. That's where the neighbors join together. Very typical of Burbank. So we're going to come back now. You're coming strictly in the line. This is a cured in place pipe lining, which technically is not really approved in Burbank, but comes back to ABS plastic here for a little bit, and then it comes back to clay pipe again, which is running through the front yard. Now you've got some roots getting into the coupling here. Pretty heavy roots over here, and there's no way to really clean out these roots. There is a clean out all the way on the other side of the house, but we're not sure if that's connected. We'll make a test to see if it is. These roots would have to be cleaned out. We're going to recommend a clean out be installed in front of the house where the pipe exits. Although those roots are not terrible, maybe one day they're going to have to need to... Okay, stop there. Go forward. There's a clean out right over here. Let me pause the recording. Okay, so there should be a clean out in the front. We'll poke around there to see if we could find it. So we're in ABS plastic. As we come back, now we're coming underneath the patio in the front. And then it comes back to a little section of cast iron, very old cast iron this. Extremely old. This is running underneath the patio. A very old cast iron pipe there. Got roots in it. Got roots in the pipe. So this pipe pretty much at the end of its life. This is definitely going to need to be replaced over here. You can see roots are getting into the pipe. And then it turns here. Comes back to ABS plastic over here. So this is all ABS plastic coming back here, but the cast iron pipe underneath the house is in very poor condition. Okay, so here it comes out of the clean out over here. We're going to go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, so we're running the camera from the 4-inch clean out where the two neighbors connect together. We're actually in the city sewer right now. Come back real slow. So this is the city sewer that's shared. The 6-inch lateral is a shared line. There's the city sewer right there. So we come back, you can see roots in the line. Now there's quite a lot of roots in the line, pretty much at every coupling. The line's definitely going to need to be hydrojetted as well and periodically cleaned. But technically speaking, this should be shared between the two neighbors. And the clean out that we did locate on the outside of the house on the left hand side is connected to the sewer line. So it is connected, and obviously the cast iron pipe underneath the house is in very poor condition. As we come out of the clean out over here in the front of the house, these two neighbors over here connect together, and this inspection was done by sewer line video, and we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.